All right, guys, you can see there's a lot going on today at Jordan Point Marina. I actually kind of played undercover boss. It was kind of fun. We do rental boats here, and I just had a pretty large powwow with my manager, Cody, about social media and post and other things. Same thing I get on my guys about for the car lot and other businesses, just because even though I don't completely dig it, we all know it's a changing world. So social media, constant posts and letting people know what we do is far beyond what a website will reach these days. So I made the phone call, 804-458-3398, and I said, hey, I need to rent a pontoon boat for the day. No problem, we can accommodate you. Very polite. Said I want to do a half day, and came in, grabbed the key, got a little safety briefing, showed us where all the safety gear was, and I was able to take my brother, his kids, my girlfriend, our children out on the water and enjoy a really, really fun day. I was able to go to some areas I've never been. You know, again, you can do a full day if you want. If I did it again, I'd probably do a full day just because of the fact I wanted to explore some more, and we ran out of time. We threw the tube on there, and everybody here at the marina was very accommodating. So that's good news, because if not, we would have been having a little different chat. So I'm really glad it worked out well. Again, once I showed up, you know, they kind of knew it was me, so spoiled that. But if you are looking to rent a boat and you sit at home on a Friday, like, what are we gonna do this weekend? You know, we don't have any plans. Well, it's a simple thing. It's very affordable. It's fun. It's way better than having to own your own boat, because we handle it all here. It's fueled up. It's ready. And if you wanted to have like a booze cruise, obviously don't booze cruise without a designated driver. We can actually have a captain ready for you as well to take you and your friends out. We tried that in the past too, and actually AJ behind the camera took my mom and her friends out. They took a nice run to lunch. Very, very nice place that you can reach in Richmond. Very luxurious run up, fun time back. We can provide that as well. Not one of the normal things that we do, but it is something that we can do. So take you inside real quick. We do have private bathrooms with showers, just in case you want to come in, stay on your boat, but not necessarily shower on your boat. And inside, got all your refreshments, t-shirts, ice cream, chips, and then a ton of the different boat stuff that you may forget or come in and need. Your drain plug, some ropes, safety gear so the police officers out there don't get a hold to you. Also things to fix your boat if you end up knocking a hole in it. Clean your boat, sunglasses if you forget them, additional safety gear, fuel cans. We have fuel on site, marine diesel and gas, non-ethanol. Got a little restaurant here that is open very limited hours, but they serve up a pretty good hot dog, hamburger sandwich. You know, you have it. Then outside, speaking of the police, you can see the marine boat. Covered area here to hang out, enjoy some snacks, refreshments, the fuel dock, 100 slips, and the rental boats. Which today both of them were out because we went out. Another customer came and went out with their family, had a great time. We do have transient slips available, and I'm pretty pleased. I don't get a lot of time down here during in season. Usually it's off season when we're slower at the car lot. I slip down here and check on things, but busy as usual. The pool's open, people are enjoying it, and a whole lot going on. So we can walk that way real quick. Really proud of the pool. We added a lot of concrete around it. If you are a slip holder here, you do have access to the pool for you and your family. If you do come in for a half-day rental on the pontoon boat, we'll also let you join that in the meantime. The store here, Doug, the shop, I should say, Doug runs. He does a great job for emergency stuff. He also does major overhauls and large marine repairs. Fortunately, he has the travel lift at his disposal. We can lift a huge boat. Pretty much any of the boats in here we can lift out for bottom cleaning, bottom painting. If you happen to drill a hole in the bottom of your boat, knock a hole in the bottom of your boat, we can get you out on dry land. We have spots out there available that have water and power hookups. So you can run your buffers, you can run your pressure washers. You can pretty much do anything you need to maintain and take care of things. So beautiful pool, looking good today. You can see the travel lift in the background. You can see our couple acres of storage over there where the boats stay. plenty of parking, and again, monster shop that we can get any size boat in and out that we need right here at the Benjamin Harrison Bridge, which is actually a drawbridge if you do the research on it. Jordan Point Marina, we'll be happy to accommodate any of your needs. Again, we also even have some liveaboards here. That is by a selective deal. We only keep a certain amount of those available, but we do have a few, and we do have power at the dock, water at the dock. You'll see the beautiful James River, which runs you all the way to the bay, all the way to the ocean. You can touch anywhere in the world you want to go. So thanks for enjoying Jordan Point with us today. I'm glad it worked out. I'm glad I didn't have to jump on anybody's case. And till next time, we'll bring you a little bit more history about this place and what it means to me. Thanks, guys. All right, so I told you guys it was a little Undercover Boss episode today, but just a little recap. We literally walked in, called earlier, actually called yesterday, kind of last minute. Yep, they had an appointment available. I said, okay, I want a half day. Got down here, grabbed our stuff out of the car, short little walk over here. The boat was filled up with fuel. The boat was clean and ready to go. We purchased these boats brand new, so they're not old raggedy boats, very low hour boats. You're not gonna have any breakdowns or problems. You got your bimini top, you got your stereo, we got your GPS, and the good news is everybody that sets you off is very familiar with the water. So you literally walk down here, kick your shoes off, grab your stuff, put it on there. We even had the baby with us. It was very seamless. Again, I wanted to walk my way through it, even though I'm out on the boat all the time. I wanted to walk my way through it as a customer to make sure that we're doing the right thing. And again, anybody can improve upon anything. So if you've been a customer and you have a suggestion, please let us know. But we were able to go out. We found a little beachy spot to hang out. Then we did stop another time when we were tubing. We threw the ladder down, got in the water, had plenty of room for us. 2 families on the boat, actually. I don't know what our actual capacity is, but they'll tell you. I think it's 10 people for safety. Had all our safety gear in case we got stopped. Everything operated great. The other people came back, also had a great time. Everything was good. They literally just jumped off the boat, handed the stuff to AJ, threw the lines. He topped her off with fuel. It's back ready to go for tomorrow. We are on a holiday weekend. It's Labor Day, so if you guys are thinking about something to do, don't know what to do, make a phone call and you can be out on a boat. No maintenance, no cleaning, just show up. So thanks, guys. We appreciate it. Easy enough. Hit the phone number on the billboard. Give us a call.